Thank you for the invitation. Thank you for the invitation.
Thanks for the invite. I'm really looking forward to the party.
No problem, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it'll be great to see everyone.
I'd love to attend. I'd love to attend.
I'd love to go. It should be fun.
Awesome. We're waiting for you.
All right, I definitely won't miss it.
Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it.
Unfortunately, I can't make it. I've already got plans this weekend.
That's a shame. Let's do something next time.
For sure, I'll definitely join next time.
What time does the party start? What time does the party start?
What time does the party start? I don't want to be late.
It starts at 6. Come a bit early and help me set up.
Cool. I'll get there early.
Is there anything I should bring? Is there anything I should bring?
Do you need me to bring anything? I want to help.
You don't have to, but some fruit would be nice.
Sure, I'll bring some fruit.
What are you planning to wear? What are you planning to wear?
I'm thinking about what to wear tonight.
How about something simple and comfortable?
Yeah, I think I'll go with a casual outfit.
Do you think this outfit is too casual? Do you think this outfit is too casual?
I'm not sure if this outfit is right for the party.
I think it looks great, not too casual at all.
Thanks. I feel better about wearing it now.
I'll pick you up around 5:30. I'll pick you up around 5:30.
Let's head to the party together.
Sure. I'll pick you up around 5:30.
Perfect. I'll be ready by then.
Should we bring something for the host? Should we bring something for the host?
Do you think we should bring something for the host?
Yeah, maybe some snacks or a small gift.
Good idea. I'll pick something up on the way.
Are you going with anyone else? Are you going with anyone else?
Are you going to the party with anyone?
No, I'm going by myself.
Cool, let's go together then.
Hi. Thanks for inviting me. Hi. Thanks for inviting me.
Hi. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. I'm so glad you could make it.
Me too. I've been looking forward to it all week.
It's great to be here. It's great to be here.
I'm really happy to finally be here.
We're glad you made it. Everyone's here already.
It's great to be here. I can't wait to catch up with everyone.
This is for you. This is for you.
I brought a little something for the party.
Oh wow, thanks. You didn't have to.
This is for you. I brought some snacks. I hope you like them.
Your home is lovely. Your home is lovely.
Wow, your place looks amazing.
Thank you. We've spent a lot of time decorating it.
Your home is lovely. I love the decorations.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Lisa. Let me introduce myself. I'm Lisa.
Hi there. We haven't met yet.
Oh, hey. It's nice to meet you.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Lisa.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
So, what do you usually do when you're not working?
I love hiking and reading. How about you?
I'm into photography. It's what I do in my free time.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
The weekend's coming up soon.
Yeah, do you have any plans?
I'm thinking of going to the beach if the weather's good.
That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting.
Last year, I traveled to Japan for a food tour.
Wow, that sounds interesting. What was the best thing you tried?
Definitely the sushi. It was so fresh.
Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
You mentioned you're not from here.
Yeah, I grew up in a small town by the coast.
That sounds nice. Where did you grow up exactly?
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I love the music they're playing at this party.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
I'm into jazz, but I listen to a bit of everything.
I've always wanted to try that. I've always wanted to try that.
I recently took up rock climbing. It's challenging but fun.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to try that.
You should. It's a great workout and you'll love the views.
Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that.
Last weekend, I went on a hiking trip to a beautiful mountain.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Tell me more about that.
The views were incredible, and we even saw a waterfall along the way.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for having me.
It was a lovely party. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm glad you could come. It wouldn't have been the same without you.
I really enjoyed it. Hope to see you again soon.
I had a great time. I had a great time.
This was such a fun evening.
I'm so glad you could make it.
I had a great time. Let's do it again soon.
It was so nice meeting you. It was so nice meeting you.
I'm so glad we got to talk tonight.
Me too. I had a great time.
It was so nice meeting you. Let's stay in touch.
Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch.
I really enjoyed chatting with you tonight.
Same here. I'd love to hang out again.
Definitely. Let's keep in touch.
I hope we can do this again soon. I hope we can do this again soon.
This was such a great party.
I'm glad you had fun. We should plan another one soon.
I agree. I hope we can do this again soon.
Have a great evening. Have a great evening.
Thanks for everything tonight.
It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed it.
I did, thank you. Have a great evening.